Hey everyone, welcome to the channel. Today we're diving into the exciting world of action cameras with a detailed look at the GoPro Hero 13 Black. This latest addition to GoPro's iconic Hero series promises to push the boundaries of what's possible in action camera technology. Let's explore what makes this new flagship model stand out. Flagship model. The GoPro Hero 13 Black is the newest flagship in the Hero series. Known for its robust performance and cutting-edge features, this model continues the legacy of excellence that GoPro is famous for. Whether you're a casual user or a professional videographer, the Hero 13 Black is designed to meet your needs with its advanced capabilities. Advanced features. One of the most exciting aspects of the GoPro Hero 13 Black is its array of advanced features. This camera is equipped with state-of-the-art imaging technology that ensures your footage is always top-notch. It also boasts exceptional stabilization, making it perfect for capturing smooth videos even in the most extreme conditions. Additionally, the Hero 13 Black introduces several innovative capabilities that set it apart from its predecessors and competitors. Image quality. When it comes to image quality, the GoPro Hero 13 Black truly shines. Thanks to its cutting-edge sensor and lens technology, this camera delivers superior image quality that captures every detail with stunning clarity. Whether you're shooting high-resolution, vivid footage during outdoor adventures or in challenging low-light conditions, Hero 13 Black ensures your visuals are always crisp and clear. This makes it an excellent choice for anyone who demands high-quality visuals, no matter the environment. Video stabilization. One of the standout features of the GoPro Hero 13 Black is its exceptional video stabilization. Powered by the latest iteration of GoPro's proprietary HyperSmooth technology, this camera guarantees that your footage remains smooth and stable, even during the most intense activities. Whether you're mountain biking, snowboarding, or skydiving, the Hero 13 Black ensures that your videos are free from the shakes and jitters that can ruin your shots. New features. The GoPro Hero 13 Black introduces several groundbreaking features that elevate its performance and versatility. One of the most notable upgrades is its ability to shoot in 6K resolution. This leap in video quality offers exceptional detail and clarity, making it an appealing choice for professional content creators and filmmakers. The 6K resolution not only delivers sharper, more immersive footage, but also provides greater flexibility during post-production. Creators can crop, zoom, and reframe their shots without compromising quality, making the Hero 13 Black an invaluable tool for high-end productions. Battery life. Battery life is a crucial factor for any camera, especially for those who rely on their gear for extended shooting sessions. The GoPro Hero 13 Black addresses this need with a longer-lasting battery, offering up to 30% more battery life than its predecessor. This enhancement ensures that you can capture more footage without worrying about running out of power, making it perfect for long adventures and extensive shoots. User experience. The GoPro Hero 13 Black is not only packed with advanced features but also designed with user experience in mind. Its intuitive interface and user-friendly controls make it easy for anyone to start recording high-quality footage right out of the box. Whether you're a seasoned professional or a first-time user, the Hero 13 Black's design ensures a smooth and enjoyable experience. Durability. Action cameras are designed to withstand the rigors of extreme environments, and the GoPro Hero 13 Black is no exception. This camera features a rugged, waterproof design that can handle everything from heavy rain to deep dives to the ocean. Its durability ensures that it can accompany you on any adventure, no matter how challenging the conditions. Connectivity. In today's digital age, the ability to quickly share content is essential. The GoPro Hero 13 Black comes equipped with advanced connectivity features that make it easy to transfer and share your footage. Whether you're uploading to social media or transferring files to your computer, the Hero 13 Black ensures a seamless and efficient process. The GoPro Hero 13 Black represents a significant step forward in action camera technology. With its advanced sensor and lens technology, exceptional video stabilization, and ability to shoot in 6K resolution, the Hero 13 Black delivers outstanding image quality that captures every detail of your adventures. Its blend of cutting-edge technology and user-friendly design makes it more than just an action camera. It's a powerful device that empowers you to capture and share your world like never before.